Hello, little lullabies! Welcome back to our channel, Learning Lullabies. You know what? Today, I'm super excited to share my favorite style secrets with you. Like elders, the little youngers also have their own desire to choose their own outfit. Okay, let's choose our own favorite outfit sensibly and surprise our parents. First up, let's talk about mixing and matching. You can create so many cool outfits by combining different pieces in your wardrobe. You can try pairing a striped shirt with a polka dot skirt or a graphic t-shirt with distressed denim jeans. Wow, lullabies, you're already looking cool. Next, accessorize. Add a fun hat, a statement necklace, or a pair of cool sneakers to take your outfit to the next level. And my lullabies became a fashionista so far. Let's explore more outfit tricks and tips. As I have already mentioned some accessories, accessorizing is also key to pulling off a great look. We will share our top picks for hats, scarves, belts and bags that will elevate your style. Finally, don't be afraid to express yourself through fashion. Wear what makes you happy and confident. Remember, fashion is all about self-expression, so have fun with it. Bye bye, lullabies.